So if you want to say, for example, John is next, you can say John is up. And that kind of means the same thing. He is up means he is next. He's the next person. There were people before him, there will be people after him, but it's John's turn. Let's practice using to be up, meaning next. It's your turn. Here's a situation. Mary is at a meeting, and there are many people giving presentations. Now it's Mary's turn. What is another way to say it is Mary's turn? We can say Mary is up, and that means it's Mary's turn. She is up. She's up. She's up. Or you can say up next. Doesn't matter. Let's make a yes-no question with she's up, which means it's her turn. It's her time. Is she? Is she up? Is she up? And we'll say it's not Mary's turn, it's Mike's turn. So let's say Mary is not up. Mary's not up. She's not up. She's not up. She's not up. She's not up. Or she isn't up. She isn't up. She isn't up. She isn't up. She's not next. Okay, let's say she's not up. Mike's up. It's Mike's turn. Mike is next. She's not up. Mike's up. It's Mike's turn. Let's try another situation. This is very common when you're playing a game and people are taking turns. A group of friends are playing a game. John has to make the next move in the game. What is another way to say it's John's turn? John is up. John's up. He's up. How would you make a yes-no question with he's up? Is he? Is he? Is he up? That means, is he next? Is it his turn? Is he up? Let's say John up no, Mary up yes. No, John is not up. John's not up. John's not up. He's not up. No, he's not up. He's not next. No, he's not up. But Mary is up. Mary's up. Let's say Lisa and Mary are up. He's not up, but Lisa and Mary are up. They're up. He's not up, but they're up. They're next. It's their turn. All right, let's move on to the next frame. Let's see.